Hello, my name is Barbara Bullat Raymond, and this is the 7th video of the module Excel in Education. In this video we are going to use an example of a table with student results, and we are going to filter and sort data according to specific criteria. So sometimes we have a lot of data in our tables, so sort and filter options might be very useful. Let's see, for example, how can we sort a table according to surnames. As you can see here, the surnames are not listed in alphabetical order. So the first step is selecting the whole table. This is very important because we don't want to change only the column where surnames are written. On the tab Home, we click on Sort and Filter and Custom Sort. We want to sort our data according to surnames from A to Z, and OK. And now we have all of our table sorted by surnames of the students in alphabetical order. So as you can see, that's very useful. Now let's see how we can filter the data. So we apply filter to the title row, and again we are on the Home tab, and we click on Sort and Filter, this time Filter. Now a drop-down menu will appear at each of these cells, and you can filter your data according to your own needs. For example, you want to see only the students who had 20 out of 20 from the exam 1. And now in your table you can only see the students who had 20 out of 20 from the exam 1. If you want to cancel the filter, you can just click on Select All and OK. Let's say you want to see who didn't pass the final exam, in other words, who had less than 15. So then you can just click on those points that were less than 15. And now you can see who didn't pass the final exam. The third example is very useful if you want to manually enter the grades according to the total points. So let's say you know that only points above 90 deserve A. So now you will see only the students who had points above 90, and you know that these students had grade A. And this is a very easy way to put A's manually to all the points that are above 90. We can do the same for the points that deserve B, which is from 75 to 89. Be careful to select all of them. And then you can just enter B's. So now we have B's for all the points that are from 75 to 89. and so on. We can do this with the rest. I hope sort and filtering options were useful for you.